So, I've been using these new RM25 Power Wagons for about 3 months now, and I'm still amazed at how much I'm able to accomplish. My name is MR211, and I work for the Empire. We Stormtroopers spent a lot of time just standing around and staring into space, so when the opportunity to get off the Death Star came along, I was definitely the first to sign up. Since then, my job has been utility testing, and let me tell you, this Power Wagon is so powerful. There isn't a landscape, at least on this planet, that it cannot handle, and it is comfortable to chase the rebellion in. With this large screen, I never miss an episode of The Mandalorian, so there's that to look forward to. All in all, I think this particular model is an excellent addition to the Empire's arsenal against the rebellion.